Exactly what we do at GBN Web Development. We offer affordable professional web design services to help your company attract new customers and retain them on your site. We build websites with a comprehensive strategy in mind, one that will turn site visitors into customers. Up to 82% of clients undertake online research before contacting you about products or services. Is your website effectively converting visitors into customers? We can help you. We're passionate about building beautiful websites that help small businesses attract and retain customers. We've produced a lot of websites throughout the years. Do you have any doubts about whether we're the appropriate fit for you? Look through our extensive portfolio to see what kinds of projects we've performed and whether we'd be a good fit for your needs. You can search by industry or browse our entire collection. Check out our designs for small businesses, law firms, authors, and pool builders. Even if your industry isn't covered in our portfolio, there's a good chance we can create something amazing for you. We are a full-service web design and development company that offers a variety of web design services. Do you have any doubts about what you require? Make an appointment for a free consultation so we can go over everything in detail. We'll contact you to discuss your project at the time and day you decide. We'd be happy to answer your questions and help you figure out what you need.